Hello everybody, welcome to the Python course. In the previous module, we have done exception handling. Now we will cover the remaining part of it, that is regular expressions. So let's start with it. I have already opened up my Anaconda Navigator. We'll create a new notebook. Okay, so let's create a new notebook by the name of module 10, that is regular expression. Okay, so in this module, we will look upon the RE module. In this module, we have two methods, that is search and find all, right? Then we will look upon the special characters, how to handle your regular expression using these special characters. So the Python RE module provides regular expression matching operations like your Perl language, right? How we can import our RE module? We can do it by using your import statement, import RE. Okay? This is how your regular expression module gets imported. Now we are going to work with the two functions mainly, that is search and find all in your RE module. So search is basically is used to search a particular pattern in your text, right? And it returns back a matched object if the pattern is found, and if it is not found it will return none, right? So it takes two arguments. First is your pattern which you are trying to search, and the text, the pattern in which you are trying to search in a particular text, right? So these two arguments it will take. Then let us see the working. In the first part, we have imported our RE library, that is regular expression module. Then we have a text, that is Mississippi River, and we are trying to search the RIV, right, in this particular text. So how we can do it? By using your search method that is provided by your RE module, and it returns a match. So match will return you the object, right? It will return you the object, right, if this pattern is found. It will not give you that what it will neither give you true or false, or neither give you the text. But if you wanted to search what kind of text it has searched, then you can search it by using match.group, right? So re.search gives back some match object. So this is your match object if the pattern is found. If the pattern is not found, it will not give you the match object. And if you wanted to see what result it has matched, that you can see it by using match.group, right? So here in this part, so this is case sensitive. So instead of RIV, so I have written small RIV, and the match will give you none type, that is it results none, because that is not matched, and it will not give you the object back, it will return you the none type, right? So let us try to see this part. So let us have our text, right? Let's say Python is awesome, right? Now I just wanted to search Python in your text, right? So it has given you your match object, right? Right, if you put it in a variable, so this is what is your match object, right? Right, and if you wanted to see what it has given you, so that can be seen it by using your group path, right? So it has matched Python. Here also in the match object you can see that, so it has got 6 characters, 0 1 2 3 4 5, 0 to 6, right? And it has matched Python, right? If I try to write Python 1 which is not present in here, so it will result you nothing, and it will give you none type, right? Okay. Then we have your special characters, right? So special characters, we have some characters and their description. So let us try to understand what does it mean. We have your dot. So these special characters are used in terms of your regular expressions. If you wanted to find a pattern, and this pattern you wanted to find a particular word, right, then you can specify this character, right, in your regular expression. So this will, the working we will see in a few seconds. So let us try to understand what does it does, right? So we have your dot, right? So it matches any character except a new line, right? And then we have slash w, which match any word. So these are the words it will match, starting from lower a to z, upper a to z, 0 to 9, and underscore, right? So slash w will match any word ranging from a to z, that is in lowercase, a capital A to capital Z, and 0 to 9 and underscore, right? And slash d will match any digits ranging from 0 to 9, and slash s would match any space characters, right? Plus means one or more occurrence, and star means zero or more occurrence. So let us try to see what does it mean. For example, we have our match, right, and the text is Mississippi River. In this part we wanted to find the r and your dot. This is dot means match any character, right, afterwards. So r, we wanted to have a matching word in this Mississippi River, in which we have this r, right, and afterward there's some character, and after this word, and after and before also, right? So that has been used by using a dot, right? And it has given you riv, that is riv, right? We'll first see where r occurs, right? So it has given riv, and then after it has given space and I. So here space and I and riv. So as soon as the first match is found, the function returns, right? Here you can see that here riv also occurs and r also occurs, but it will only give you the first occurrence, right? Here also there is r, right? This is also, this can be also be done, but it will only give you the first occurrence, right? So let us try to take this text only. So text equal to Mississippi River, right? So re dot search, then in this we have r, wanted to find, right? So it has matched this, I dash, that is space RIV, right? If I wanted to find another one, that can be also be done. It has got E, and it will give you the first occurrence, right? Then we wanted to find the words, then ER, right? We wanted to find ER, and after that we wanted to find word. So this is one word, and earlier we have studied that the word takes your lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, and 0 to 9 and underscore, right? So is this is under 0 to 9, so it will result you 1. W/W is also under 0 to 9, it will result you 2, and this is also 0 to 2, 0 to 9, right? And ER, after ER we are trying to match these characters, we are trying to find a word which matches any of these possibilities, right? But one thing you need to remember, so we need to specify your regular expression, that is R. The match stops before hash, as W only matches A to Z, capital A to Z, and 0 to 9, right? So let's see this in working. So for example, I have this re dot search, then I put a R, right? I wanted to do RER, then after that I want to do a W/W and /W, right? Let us see what will happen, right? It has not given any of the match because this will try to find ER, right? After that it has got a space, right? If I change it to 1, 2 and 3, it will now give me the match, right? Because it does not falls in that category. Here instead of writing ER 1, 2, 3, I could also write capital A, right, underscore, then also it will find, right? It has find, right? So this is how your W works, that it matches the characters 0 to 9, A to Z, and small case a to z, and also underscore. Then we wanted to find the digits. So now here two things have occurred. First, you have placed a dot also, right? We wanted to find R where the R is present, and before R we wanted to find one character, right? And after that we wanted to find a digit, digit, and digit. Basically what we are trying to search for, R, before R there could be any one character, and after that we could have digits, right? So this we will see re dot search, then we'll specify R, then we have dot R, after that we have a digit, digit, and digit, then text. So let us try to write the text in this box itself only, right? So I'll just copy this text in order to save some time, and instead of writing this I'll write this one, right? Now it has matched ER 1, 2, 3, right? So it will not match anything because space is there. If instead of writing D I would write S, so that it will find out, right? So now we get the R, and here E also because it was a dot, right? So this is how your /D works out, and you are having your dot operation also, that matching a single character. Now we will move further to little complicated case. I wanted to match R and D, that is correct, that is R 1 2 3, right? And before that I have matched W. I want the complete words with a plus. If I specify here W, it will match only a single, but if I specify plus, it will tell you one or more occurrence, right? It will first try to find out R, then it will find one D, 1 2 and 3, and before that I have specified W slash W. It will, if I write only W, it will only try to find E, but if I specify plus, it will go through your whole, right? If there was no space here, right, then it has found out the whole string, right? So let us try to visualize this and understand this. Okay, so I'll just copy this here, right? So this is your Mississippi River, and I wanted to find search R. Okay, then we wanted to find R. After that we want to find D and slash D, that is R12, and before that I wanted to find word, right? So let us first try to run this. So it has matched ER12, right? But if I specify plus here, so it will try to find the whole string, that is RIVER12, and because it has stopped here, because it was a space, if it hasn't got any space, so it will search the entire string. So now entire string has been matched to this text. So this is how your regular expression works with your plus, that is one or more occurrence, right? Okay, so in the next part, so instead of writing, we could have plus, dot and plus. So it says match me any character, right? Match me any character, and the number of occurrence would be plus, that one or more occurrence, right? So instead of writing here, I could write here match me dot and plus, right? It has matched all the characters. It also included your space. So space includes your dot, and it is trying to find dot and plus, that is one or more occurrence, right? So this is how you could search it by using dot plus, right? Okay, now this is the complete string. So it is trying to search the words, single word 0 to 9, A to Z, and small a to Z, and your underscore also. One or more occurrence. Dot, it says whether it is got space also, let me try to find that also, and one or more occurrence, right? And dot says anything, you could have your hash also included. So dot means all the characters, right? So this also we could see it, re dot search, then we have R, right? So we'll say W and plus, give me all the occurrence of the words, right? Right, and also say dot plus, right? Whether it is a hash or whether it is a at the rate, give me all the occurrence and find out. So it has given all the occurrence, and it has got all the characters matching 0 to 9, A to Z, and small a to Z, right? So this is how your regular expressions work. Then the next method is your find all. So what find all does, it returns a list of all the patterns which it finds, right? So here we have entered our regular expression in which we are trying to find all the words, and we have R also, and defined by the d, that is number of digits occurring after r, and that could be one or many, right? So we have r, and here we have w plus, right, 1 2 3 or 2 3, right? Right, so 1 2 3 and 2 3. So this will result us in searching all the patterns, right, in the find out method. So let us try to do this, right? So here I will change to river, and 1 2 3 hash or 2 3 hash I will put it, right? So re dot find all, and then we have r. Then we are trying to search all the characters, right? And we are finding r and slash d and slash d, right, and text, right? So it has given us the occurrence, right? So this is how your find all method works in your regular expressions. Returns a list of all the patterns which it finds. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next video.